Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you've had a lovely week. Today I am going to be doing a bit of Charlotte Tilbury. Haha, don't mind if I do. We've got this pot of something, I've forgotten what the name is. We'll go through that in a bit. We've got this concealer and we've got this foundation. Yes, I've been picking my face, so don't look too closely. You're here with me, Jemima Joy. Welcome to my channel. If you really like my videos, please subscribe. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the Magic Away Charlotte Tilbury cream and the Magic Away concealer and Airbrush Flawless foundation. I don't even think this colour is going to even match me. I ordered this foundation when I had a lot more colour in my complexion and the sun was shining, so this might be completely the wrong colour for me, but we will just go with the flow, I guess. First things first, I need to prep my skin. So I'm just going to quickly chuck on some of my CBD oil, which is my lifesaver. I'm going to put some face cream on. I'm going to do some of my Magic eye cream, which gets rid of my dark circles. And I'm going to prime. So let's get that done. I'm just going to move that camera because that light switch in the picture is really bugging me. Yeah, I'll do. So I sat down and I was like, what am I going to record today? And I looked at my massive pot of concealers. This is just concealers, guys. I've got quite a few. I pulled out this one and this one. I have to refresh my memory because I completely forgot what this is. Bought this ages ago, used it once and I completely forgot I had it. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Vanish cream. And I was like, oh, what is it for? So this is for your under eye and face colour correction. And I've got the one for fair skin tones. It colour corrects, neutralises and smooths to cheat and conceal pigmentation and brightens the appearance of your under eye area for a flawless looking complexion. The buttery, feather light, compact formula magically colour corrects the appearance of various intensities of pigmentation. With 100% of people agreeing dark circles appeared visibly neutralised and 99% agreed it smooths the look of skin. Let's try it. So I've got number 1 in fair. As you can see, I have used this before, but I can't remember. I'm going to do this eye, and we can compare the two different eyes. Doing a bit of that with this little finger. This little piggy wear marker. So, I'm going to pat it on. I find that the sockets are where you get most of your dark circles. They just sort of build up around here. So always get it in your sockets. Phenomenal. That really does work, doesn't it? Bearing in mind, I'm absolutely exhausted. We've been doing, me and Nick do some couple modelling on the side. And we done a massive shoot yesterday. And we're just, I feel like I've had a 7-day bender. But I haven't had a drop of alcohol. Right, so that is the colour corrector Magic Vanish. That works really well, actually. That definitely does do what it says on the pot. And smell-wise, doesn't really have a smell. I'm going to try the Magic Away concealer now. I've got it in shade 3. Can't even get my words out. Which is fair pale. This does look quite warm, so I'm not sure if this is going to work for me. It's got a really nice sponge applicator tip. Get that under the eyes, on top of the eyes. I'm going to use my fingers. That actually really works well. The coverage is really nice. The consistency is a really nice creamy texture. And I would say I've got fresh looking under eyes now. I quite like that. Tired eyes, fresh eyes. And I haven't even done foundation yet. Let's do foundation on this side, not on this side. So I've got the Airbrush Flawless Foundation in shade 4, which is neutral, 4N. This could be too dark for me, I don't know. We'll see. We'll just wing it, shall we? Oh, that looks really dark. I bought this when I was tanned. I'm going to try using, this is so great with this brush. This is my MAC brush 196 and it is a flat brush. It's got makeup all over it, I need to clean it, don't judge. And I like how this brush puts everything on my face, so I'm just going to use this one. Ah, that is so brown. That is not matching my body. Carry on then, I suppose. There's not really much option. Oh my god, this is so dark. Oh my god, this is way too dark for me. I'm going to use a beauty blender now just to pat that in. Oh my gosh. This is really full coverage. I'm not used to wearing this much makeup. I always end up doing quite a natural style makeup. I can't get over how like full coverage it is. It does look awesome on the skin. Does that actually match me? Let's just see how it oxidizes to the air. Someone parking over our drive. Why do people do that? They can see I've got a car on my drive. What if there's an emergency? Oh well. So that is one side of my face done. Doesn't match my face colour. It's not summer. I tried this before and I didn't actually like how it sat on my skin. But my skin was in not a good way back then. And the problem is when your skin isn't good, nothing's gonna sit on it nicely. I quite like how it's sitting on my face now. So it might be that we just have to wing it and go with it. I quite like it, it does sit nice on my face. Again, it doesn't really have much of a smell. It's fine. It is full coverage though, and I just end up feeling like I don't like anything full coverage. So I'm gonna be really intrigued to see how I like this on my face. That is sitting in my creases in my eye though. Please excuse my eyes, by the way. That is actually leftover glue from eyelashes. We're gonna ignore the glue for a minute. We're gonna ignore it, okay. Okay, so that is my face. Full coverage. I think I like it. Let's finish doing my whole face. The one thing I've learned about using a beauty blender is you pat, 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 and you keep patting. Okay, so I've evened out both sides of my face. It feels like it's a couple of shades too dark, but actually when I'm looking at the camera in front of me, it's looking okay. Okay, so when a foundation oxidizes, it's how it reacts once it meets the oxygen around you, and it depends on how it's applied and how it's blending with your other products that you've got on your skin, i.e. my serum, my eye cream, my moisturiser, my primer. Seems to be oxidising okay actually. I'll just keep bringing my beauty blender out and patting it like under my eyes and in my creases to make sure it's not sitting in those creases. It's not looking too shabby actually. It is full coverage, but it doesn't feel too cakey on my skin. There's, I don't know, some makeup, even though it doesn't have a smell, it's almost like it's got a makeup scent to it. I don't even know if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. We're gonna see how this sits on my face. Okay, so all of my makeup is now done. I've put on some very glamorous eyelashes. I feel like I've got massive big feathers on my eyes, but they actually look quite nice. My makeup's all done. I have found that whilst I was sitting here, the foundation was really sitting in my creases, so after applying it, I do find you gotta just go back out and pat lots in those creases. It does look lovely on. I'm just really conscious that it is quite a full coverage foundation, and I'm generally quite anti that. And also I'm not sure if it's the right colour. I have to put a bit of foundation down my chest just to try and mix it. Ah! That is quite far down. I'll just have to wear a long sleeve t-shirt or something. Hope no one notices. Okay, so it's really full coverage. Maybe I'm just too used to being in my loungewear during lockdown. I'm not used to wearing so much makeup. It does look absolutely banging now, I can't complain. Looks alright, doesn't it? What do you guys think about my face right now? I like the hair though, the hair's banging. I genuinely like this. This is a nice foundation, I can't complain. But I know for a fact with my skin being dry, there's sometimes I just can't wear foundations like this because it just sticks in all the wrong areas. But as long as I am exfoliating, moisturising and doing everything correctly, then it's fine. No problemo. Okay, so first things first, out of these 3 products that I've tried today, this bad boy, the Magic Touch Cream, it does exactly what it says on the tin. I really like this. It got rid of my dark circles and it just vanished the bad bits on my face away without it being too cakey. So the Magic Away Concealer, it is lovely and creamy. It gives a really good coverage, gets rid of my dark circles. Paired with this, they are a really good little combo. And it didn't sit in my pores too much, so I patted away and it is, it's a really good concealer, so I definitely recommend them. The Airbrush Flawless Foundation, yes, it is definitely full coverage. Maybe a bit too full coverage for me wearing it every single day, but maybe on a special occasion, I'll bring it out and I'll give it another go. On previous occasions, it hasn't lasted a full day and evening, so it may need reapplication, but it's not a bad foundation, not bad at all. In regards to coverage, there is no filters on this. You are seeing me as I am. So make your decisions, ladies, decide if you like it. That's what I thought. Bish bash bosh. Bit of Charlotte Tilbury. Don't mind if I do. Thanks, Charlotte Tilbury. Loved trying your products. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I upload videos every single Sunday, so if you like this video, hit subscribe. See you later, guys. Take care, stay safe.